Welcome back to another video. So today I've got another one of these nail tips and glue gel kits. I love these. That's the brand there, Kredioo or Kredioo, not sure. It tells you on the box it comes with a little lamp, your glue gel, and look guys, it comes with a nail prep dehydrator. I've not had one yet that comes with that. Comes with your tips, a little file and some clips. So, I'm just going to have a quick nosy at what's in the pack. So, there's your instructions, how to apply it and all that jazz. I got this kit off Amazon as well, guys. So, that's what it looks like when it comes packaged. So, it comes with a little itty-bitty nail file. It's got two of these clips as well. Again, I've not had one of these kits that's come with these clips. Nice touch. So, these are just to hold the tip on. So, you can neaten it out underneath or just hold it on whilst it's in the lamp. Look, nail prep dehydrator. That's the first time I've had one of these kits that's come with that, and you need it if you want your nails to stay on. And this is your nail glue. It's got all the ingredients on the back, which I always like to see. And yeah, it's just a thick glue gel as you would expect with one of these kits. It's thicker than a base coat, but not quite as thick as Builder in a Bottle. Comes with this little lamp. I've already got one of these particular ones and they are good little lamps. I like it. And it's USB powered. So this is your tips. You get 500 tips and they are my favourite shape. They're like a bit, yeah, I'd say a long coffin. And these tips are so thin. They're not pre-etched or pre-buffed. You have to buff the inside of them. But they are so thin. My favourite nail shape, my favourite length. Love them. So yeah, you get 500 tips in there. So I'm going to get these filed off and see what we can come up with using this little kit. Yeah, this kit is off Amazon as well, guys. And I did notice they've got another kit that you can buy just the tips and the glue by itself. I'll leave all the links below anyway. So I've had to stick my middle nail on with regular glue. I didn't want any gel on it because I've damaged that nail. So just ignore that. So these are not pre-etched, so you're going to need to buff that shiny surface off inside the tip. You can use primer or acetone. As long as you get that shiny surface off, you are good to go. So I'm going to start with the nail prep dehydrator. I think this is a nice little touch because you need some sort of prep dehydrator at the very least to help keep your nails on. So I'm going to use the nail glue and I'm just going to do a generous layer. I'm just doing a strip up the middle of my nail. Generous little strip. And then just a little bit. This is only my pinky, so just a tiny bit in the cuticle area of the tip. I'm going to turn my lamp on so it's ready. And I'm just going to press it down at the cuticle and push that glue right up till it goes past my natural nail. And hold it under that little lamp. As simple as that, guys. Try and keep it straight, keep it still, and yeah, just stick it in the lamp, and then that's that one done. I would advise sticking it in your bigger lamp once it comes out this small one, but it's not essential. Just give it a double cure in this mini one, and that's it on. So quick, so easy. So I'll quickly show you doing another, or maybe two. I'll just show you doing this one. So again, just a generous layer up the middle of my nail. And then a little blob in the actual tip itself. Push it in at the cuticle area and just push that glue up the nail. And once you see that glue go past your natural nail, yeah, just stick it under the little lamp. It really is easy, guys. It really is beginner friendly. You do get little bits leak out now and again, but we get them with the file at the end. So yeah, I'll just show you this last one and I'll do the thumb off camera. Right, so that is them all on, and it's probably took me about half an hour to get them on. I've got a tiny bubble in my thumb there, but I am getting so much better at this kind of application. I am. So I'm just going to use my file and just them little tiny bits that have leaked out at the cuticle area or at the sides. I'm just going to file them little bits off, and then I'm going to use a buffer and buff off all the shiny surface to all of the nails. Right, so that's them all filed and all buffed. So I'm going to try and recreate what's on my left hand using gel polish. So I'm using this Lovesick from Madam Glam. It's one of their latest from the Las Vegas collection. And for the pink nail bed colour, I'm going to use Madam Glam's Rosy Nude. So yeah, on my left hand, we've got polygel, the 2B Glam polygel kit that I used. So that's the glitter and the stickers that I used. So yeah, I'm going to recreate that polygel set on my left hand using gel polish. Now, I am using my non-dominant hand. I am not left-handed. So if I look a bit shitty applying gel polish, it's because I am shitty with my left hand. So this pinky, middle finger and thumb are all going to have 2 coats. I'll just show you the 1 coat of Rosy Nude. And then for that beautiful purple shimmery polygel on my left hand, I'm going to use, the Madam Glam hollow purple shimmery one. And I'm going to cure all them in between each layer for 30 seconds. So that's all my base colours down. I'm using base coat and I'm not curing the base coat. And I'm going to do the glitter fade exactly the same as my left hand. Glitter fade coming up from the bottom on just these pink nails. And that's going to get cured for 30 seconds as well. So that's all my little glitter fades done. So I'm going to get these glitter fades encapsulated. I'm giving them a really nice generous layer of top coat, cure it in the lamp, and then I'm going to give them a buff and get them nice and smooth. Right guys, so that's my glitter nails buffed nice and smooth. So I'm going to quickly stick these stickers on now. Yeah, exactly the same as I did in my last video with the polygel set. Sticking the stickers on the purple nails, and then I'm going to give them one last top coat, stick the little purple gem on, and that'll be this set finished. I just thought it'd be quite cool to show you how to recreate that polygel set using gel polish. So you could do this on your natural nails. Or you could do it with full cover gel tips like these. So yeah, I'll let you watch this and I'll be back at the end. there we go, guys. That is them finished. Slightly different colour. Obviously, I wasn't going to get it exact, but I think that's pretty bloody close. It's a shame you can't see that hollow in the Madam Glam gel polish. It is stunning. I've got a swatch video on the Madam Glam gel polish if you want to go and watch that. And I've got a 30% discount code for Madam Glam. That's always in my description box with links to the website. But anyway, guys, that is it for today. I absolutely love this little kit. The tips are so thin. They're really, really nice. They've got a beautiful shape, beautiful apex. Yeah, it gets a thumbs up from me. Anyway, guys, that is it for today. Links for this kit will be below and any discount codes I might have. Thanks for watching. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And hit your notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Hopefully, I'll see you in my next one. Take care. Bye.